Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make effective handwritten notes. Let's dive in. First, gather your materials, a notebook, pens in different colors, and highlighters. Start with a clear heading at the top of the page. Include the date and topic to keep your notes organized. Write in short, clear sentences. Use bullet points or numbered lists to structure your information. This makes it easier to review later. Use different colors for headings, subheadings, and key points. Highlight important information to make it stand out. Incorporate diagrams, charts, and sketches. Visuals help in understanding and remembering complex information. After your lecture or study session, quickly review your notes. Add any missing details and clarify points while the information is still fresh. And there you have it. Easy steps to make your handwritten notes effective. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.